Hey guys, this is your friend Hamid from It's Made Easy, and yes, we make it easy for you. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks in easy steps. Let's start our tutorial now. Hey guys, today we are drawing this component that we have here in 2D diagram, and we are completing this in just 5 steps. And the first steps will we are going to start with the extrude of this section that we have here to an overall length of 100 mm, and the second step will be the overall rectangle that we have here, and we are just going to extrude that to an overall height of this, which is 44 minus 19, which is 25 mm. And then the third step will be followed by the extrude cut of this section, the conical section that we have here. And the fourth one will be the extrude cut of this deep hole to a length of 20 mm. And the final and the last step will be the go through hole just to make this slot and a circle here. Okay, let's start our SolidWorks with a new part model. I'm going to take the right plane as normal to draw this section, and I'm just taking this center of the line as the origin for your own information. Okay, let me start my geometry now. And this length they have given us 50, so since I'm starting from here, I'm just going towards right to a length of 25 mm, and from here this length they have given us 6 here, and again 7, and the overall length is given here as 19. So I'm just following those comments now. I'm going towards downward 6 mm, then towards right 7 mm, then towards upward 19 mm, and just going towards the center. And as usual, I'm just mirroring the part, trimming the unwanted sections, just giving extrude to a length of 100 mm. It's not necessary to give this option mid plane, because since it's not symmetrical to any other plane that in the direction it's going to be extruded. So okay, I'm done with the first part. And now what am I going to do is just taking this section that we have here, a rectangle of length 64 and width of 38 mm, just extruding that to an overall length of 25 mm. So I'm just taking this section as normal and taking the corner rectangle. From here I'm just giving a dimension length of 64 and a width of 38, and extruding that section to a length of 44 minus 19, which is 25. So yeah, it's made towards upward direction that we want. And now the extrude cut part that we have here, and since the cut section is symmetrical to both the sides, I'm just starting the geometry of this cut section with the center of this part, this line that we have here. And the overall length they have given us 38, so from here I should go either of the side to a length of 19 mm. So yeah, I'm going towards up 19 mm, and this overall length they have given us 24 mm. So I'm just from the center of this line, I'm just going towards upward to a length of 12 mm and just joining the section, making it close. Mirroring is to be done with respect to the center line that we have here, and just trimming off the parts. And yes, we are done with the geometry of the cut extrude part, and I'm giving the option feature extruded cut to an height of 13 mm, not 25, 13 mm, sorry, 13 mm. And yes, we are done with the third part. and the fourth part will be continued with the deep hole of 20 mm length with a diameter of M6, which is like 6 mm diameter. So I'm just taking this plane as normal, and here we can see that from this edge they have gone to a length of 10 mm towards the right side, towards the left side, and from here to here they have gone to a length of 13 mm. So I'm just following the steps that they have given. From this edge I'm going towards up to a length of 10, and from there towards left to a length of 13 mm, and from there just drawing the circle of diameter 6 mm. So just to copy here, I'm just taking a line at a symmetrical part, just mirroring this whole section with respect to the line that we have here, and now trimming off the unwanted parts and extrude cut this section and this section to a length of 20. Make sure the direction is made towards downward, and yes, it's been made. And the final section that we have here, extrude cut of the slot we have here and a hole here. And now I'm taking this section, this plane as normal, and going to draw this hole and also this slot, the oval shape that we have here. Okay, I'm starting the sketch with a line. From the center they have gone to a length of 19 mm, so I'm just starting that as it is they have given to a length of 19 mm, and from there I'm just drawing a circle of diameter 10 mm, which they have given, diameter 10 mm. And now I'm just moving to the slot section that we have here. From here, this edge, it's been made after a length of 13 mm, so I'm just taking a line. From here I'm just going towards left to a length of 13 mm, and from there we can observe that the circle, the hemicircle that they have here, the overall diameter is given as 18 mm, so this radius should be 9 mm. So I'm just going an extra length of 9 mm from the section that we have here, from the point that we have here, and from there I'm just taking the slot to a length they have given as 38. Okay, now what am I going to do is just edit this section. Oh sorry, they haven't given the length of this at 38, but the overall length should be 38. So what we can do is this, from here to here it's 9, and from here to here it's 9, so 38 minus 9 minus 9, it should be 20. 38 minus 9, 18, it should be 20. So I'm just changing this length to a length of 20. Oh sorry, since it's got merged with the origin, it can't be moved from that point, so I'm just trimming off the unwanted sections. Okay, and from here I'm just starting to a length of 9 mm, which is the radius of the section, and from there, as just told before, I'm just going to a length of 20 mm and making the circle, making the slot, and make sure that this diameter is made as 18 mm. Yeah, it's been made. And just now just trimming off the unwanted sections, and yes, we had made the 2D geometries, just giving the extrude cut. I'm just giving the option that we just saw in previous session to the surface, and yes, we are done with the today's part model. Here we have the 2D section, and here we have the 3D part model of this geometry. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to give a like to our video. Please share this video with your friends. See you in the next section. Bye.